What's up, graduates? So today I'm going to show you a really cool feature. It's called the WhatsApp app chat box. And basically it works like this. So on your store, it's going to be located at the bottom right hand corner. And if a customer lands on your website, this will pop up and you just click on it and you can change out the image. You can change out the text here. And then also you can change out this first response. So if I start typing hi there, then this will automatically open up to the WhatsApp chat, and it will be connected to whatever phone number you assign in the back end of your setting. So this is very simple copy and paste. It did take a little time to get it perfectly right for you guys. I hope you guys like it. So let's get right to it.
3, 2, 1. Here we go!
What I want to do is it is on this right here, but I don't believe it is on here. So we will just add it to this theme. So what you're going to get is, of course, you're going to get the zip file that has the RTF, and then you're going to have the HTML. So when I open up the HTML, it's going to give me a README file, and this will be changed out. It's the WhatsApp chat box. And the first instruction is it's going to ask you to install the EG WhatsApp button, and it's going to ask you to create the new section. That's what we'll do. We'll go into here and we'll go, and in the back end of your Shopify, we're going to go and edit code. So once I'm in there, I'm just going to open up my RTF file, and it should look something like this. So I'm going to go into my sections here. And Shopify has been having a little bit of their update, especially in their theme editors and also in their code. So it might look like this, and it might still look like the old version. So I'm just going to add a new section, and I'm just going to call it the EG WhatsApp. I believe that's what it said. EG WhatsApp button. So what I can do, perfect example, I didn't remember, so I'm just going to add that right there. And now I'm going to go back into my RTF file. I'm just going to copy and paste this whole section. I'm going to save this. So now I have the section, and that's all I really need to do, I believe, besides go into my theme.liquid and find the section footer. So I'm going to go into my theme.liquid, which is at the very top always. And I'm just going to do control find, and I'm going to find that right here. So now I'm going to add the section. I'm just going to copy and paste. I'll put it right underneath. Now I can get out of this, and I'm just going to click customize my theme. So it might take a little bit for Shopify to update in the back end, but I am now in my theme, and you'll see that there's now a chat with us. When I scroll all the way down, EG WhatsApp button, I'm going to put in my number, and that is our number to support. And you can choose your primary color, so you can choose whatever your theme is, or you can choose the default of WhatsApp, so they can kind of your customers kind of can recognize the color, or you can change it to red, but I think green because it's inviting. And then secondary color, that will be this right here. So you'll see that there's a blank image right now and John Doe. You can position it right, or you can position it left. So there's positioning settings, and then chat with us, you can change out the text as well. And we give you a lot of settings, so you can kind of play around with that. And then right over here, show dialog. It basically tells you if disabled, it will open up directly the WhatsApp app on button click. If not, then it won't. So I'm just going to choose that image. So now this image populates, and John Doe, we'll just put ecom graduates. And now when anybody goes and clicks onto this, it's going to direct us to our personal link. So don't spam us, our personal link, and it's a great way to also help with the support tickets that you have with your stores as well. And then here you can change out the text here as well, and then message, how can we help, and button text. So you have a lot of cool settings here. And it works really well. It connects right to your WhatsApp. Just get that nice and connected. And if you don't have WhatsApp, definitely get the WhatsApp. If you don't, then this is not for you. But we hope you like this. Let us know if there's you know, any bugs or comments or what you'd like else for this section. I'm just gonna save this, and now I have a WhatsApp and it looks really cool. Thank you so much for watching.